Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can easily get the CapCut Pro on mobile. So here I've already on the CapCut apps, and I'm currently using the free CapCut. And if you guys want to join the CapCut Pro, you can just there are two ways. You can just click on this Pro button at the top left corner, or you can go to your profile by clicking on the Me at the bottom. So I'm going to just click on this Pro button. So CapCut will lead you to this page. You'll be provided with the CapCut Pro like benefits. You can unlock all Pro features, edit premium templates, and also you will get 100 GB cloud space storage. And here there are lots of a subscription plan that you can choose based on your needs. There is a monthly subscription, or you can also use only for 1 month, and there is also a yearly or annual plan. So you can just choose which one and click on purchase. Okay, so after that you'll lead to the Google Play to pay or to proceed with the payment. You can select the payment method here. You can choose whether you want to use the e-wallet, or you can also use credit or debit card, or any other payment method that you find suitable. And after that, just click on subscribe and just wait until your CapCut has been updated to the CapCut Pro. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, click on the thumbs up icon, and click on the thanks. Bye.